Somebody mentioned to me as we were chatting online, and I mentioned, my place is just disgustingly dirty, and I have to clean it up. And I've been living as a bachelor guy. My kitchen's disgusting. I have just like junk laying around. My life's kind of disorganized and bad. And this guy mentioned a channel called Midwest Magic Cleaning, and it's pretty popular. It has like 700 and something thousand followers, and I didn't watch it much yet, but it appears that they actually pick a place that's really messed up, and then they go in and clean it up. And I don't know why people would want to watch that, but maybe I should invite them down, or just invite people down who like to do that and publish it on my own channels of the big mess that I'm in. I mean, I'm kind of ashamed of it. I feel ashamed that I've let my life kind of fall apart. And I have excuses, sure, but so what? They're lame excuses. Like, I don't really have anybody to clean up for. And it doesn't really matter how I live. But it's annoying, and I can't find shit sometimes. And the things I want to share with people, if I was to have people come here again and visit me, they're not organized enough. Like even just organizing the books, 3,000 books, those should be on shelves like a library, and people should be able to check them out. And I have circus toys that people might like to play with. Those are probably all dusty and dirty in the boxes that they're in. I have musical instruments. I have boxes of musical instruments. I think I used to own 3 guitars, but I gave one of them away. And so having musical instruments available to people would be great. And my whole life has all these resources that are underutilized. So I would have to, if I was going to invite people down to help me clean up, I think maybe I could just invite that channel, whoever makes that channel. I'd have to look at them more and see if I like them. But they seem like they're respectful, nice people from the video I did see. And they're not looking down on these people. Like this video is saying, this person's not a hoarder. This person, got into a cycle of depression and difficulty in their life for some reasons. And so it appears they have some empathy for people whose lives are kind of messy and fucked up. And I definitely have a very messy, fucked up life. So I don't know. If you're interested in that, feel free to contact me. There's a form on the website that you can fill out and introduce yourself. But I'm really pretty misanthropic and pretty hesitant, to invite someone into my most messed up, intimate space and say, well, let's fix this. But there might be people who want to do that, and it would immensely benefit my life. I would probably invite people who are potentially could become part of a community so that they have the time, the ability to work online perhaps and support themselves, or maybe they're retired and have resources or whatever. So I would probably preferentially invite people that might want to have a longer relationship of some sort with and have them in as part of the system that I'm trying to put together. Yeah. Because I really live in like a crashed pirate ship. And it's not, most of it's not disgusting. The kitchen sinks are pretty disgusting. They're clogged, both of them. So there's just water in them and it's disgusting. And, but most of it's just disorganization. And I did actually have a visitor once who liked to organize stuff. And she organized the art studio, because the art studio is a big mess right now. And actually it needs to be re-roofed as well, because it has fiberglass, corrugated fiberglass roofing, translucent, so the light comes in. It's a beautiful space, but I have to get rid of all that because little pieces of glass come off of it, and I really don't like that. I can't capture water off of it and then give it to chickens, for example. I don't even want to use the area near it as dirt for like potting soil, because it has these tiny little strands of glass in it. But yeah, that woman was very happy and she felt very accomplished. Once again, art studios tend to get messy. So once again, it's just a colossal mess, and there's animals living in there. And so that'd be a massive project Probably in that case involving pulling everything out of the studio and re-roofing it with ideally glass, and probably translucent glass that was not going to break into shards in an earthquake. So tempered glass of some kind. I'm not an expert on glass, but that would make it a super well-lit space. You could have studios in there for video, and then have supplemental LED lighting as fill lighting. But if it was translucent, the lighting would tend to spread out, and it wouldn't be like the harsh sun beating into it. And of course, then you could use it like a greenhouse, and it would be perfect for plant propagation. It's a very big studio. It's got 2 rooms, which could be 3, 2 entryways. It's got lots of shelving. There's a couple bunk beds in there, but I wouldn't want to sleep under the fiberglass junk. So it's possible that the room that's there could actually be inhabited by the studio manager, or a couple of managers, or a couple. And then they would be organizing activities in there. Because in the past we've had paper making, book binding. We've done a lot of photography in there because we have a wall in there that's green, like a green screen. We have a wall that's black. We should probably have a white walled area. And then we could use it as a set for a variety of things. Of course, a green screen is the ultimate set, right? Because you can turn a green screen into anything you want. So it'd be a great creative space. And yeah, got to clean my life up. Can't live like this. It's disgusting and not healthy, and it's annoying because I don't feel comfortable sharing the space very much. Maybe I'll actually do a video tour of the art studio, since it is such a interesting mess. It's yeah, quite a mess. Goodbye.